go! Yes! Josh, we just crushed it! What's up, bud? We up at Crystal, we riding Gold Hills. Yeah, dude. Slingshot. Oh, yeah! Woo-hoo, yeah! All right, first run down, now we're transitioning to ski mode. Yeah. Boys are just setting the skin track. We're the first ones up here. We're at the top of our first run, just transitioned from ski mode to board mode. And we're about to ride a good foot of snow or so, so let's get it. There's the run, you love to see it. We're just skinning up to the top, getting ready to go for another run. At the top of our second run, yeah. Just enjoying it, got some pow, about to slay it. Oh my God! It has been cold enough that this snow is blower pow. We are skinning up for our third run. It's just been glorious here. A little snowy and overcast, but for the most part, awesome. Boys are behind me, going up. Woo! Oh, dude, that was so sick! Oh my gosh, you guys just killed it! Do it, Moonie! The pillows, bro! pack up and get ready for some lifts. Just time to get warm, baby. Just almost went into a heat coma in the shred cabin. Now we're grabbing the regular board, going for some night riding. Hey! Yeah, buddy. Night cruising, dog. Nighttime, let's get it. Yes! Up a day of splitboarding, some night riding, heading back to the truck. Bed for the night. About 20-degree sleeping bag. Comforter, sheet, full sheet, pillows.
It's Steve from the night show, bro.
You'd love to hear it, bud.
Yeah, man.
Staying in the bed of the truck. We're truck bed neighbors. Crash out in the bed of the truck.
It was so warm. I only woke up to use the bathroom. It's like almost 7 o'clock.